Thank you to Finestar, Yorubai and the team for really asking me to participate today. I think it is very much an exciting and meaningful event. It's these journeys are never easy, and I think whilst Finestar's history as a site holder actually is relatively a short one in our world. It's all about sustainability, and we do hold some very high standards, which are not always easy to get there, but it's that really distinguishes, I think, that branding, which I know, as you were saying last night, it's such an exciting time to have actually achieved that status. We're very proud of our past, but we also have to make sure that the diamonds that are so precious and finite, and of course I'm talking natural diamonds, I had to get that in, I'm afraid. It's very important to me. They're very close to my heart. I have been with them for a very long time. And it's in the heart of everything that we, and as we've already seen today, these shared core values are clearly also of huge importance to Finestar. So once again, I'm very humbled to have been asked to speak. I thank you for your time, and to Finestar, congratulations. And again, we're there to support you in every possible way, both through, of course, NDTC, with that hat on, and with my other hat from De Beers as well. Thank you very much.